Global Warming presents the concept of law of balance.
What is the concept of law of balance in climate change? How does the balance become the foundation of climate change? The equilibrium are the function of the climate change. Lahat ng yan ay tatalakayin natin sa video na ito.
Warning: the consequences of inaction on global warming are dire and far-reaching. Failure to address this crisis will result in environmental devastation, loss of biodiversity, food and water scarcity, rising sea levels, health crises, and social unrest. The urgency of this moment cannot be overstated. We must act decisively and collectively to mitigate the impacts of climate change and secure a sustainable future for ourselves and future generations. The time for action is now.
Guys, napaka-importante ang pagkakaroon ng balanse sa ecosystem. Kailangan na natin kumilos at malaman kung ano ang paraan para maiwasan ang tindi ng climate change. Na dulot ng global warming, kailangan na nating magkaisa. Bago tayo tumuloy, nais ko lang ipakita sa inyo ang epekto ng kawalang balanse ng mundo na nararanasan na natin sa kasalukuyan.
The importance of balance in addressing global warming cannot be overstated. Maintaining equilibrium in natural systems, such as carbon cycles and ecosystems, is essential for mitigating the impacts of climate change. Disruptions to these balances can exacerbate the effects of global warming, leading to extreme weather events, loss of biodiversity, food and water insecurity, sea level rise, and adverse health impacts. By prioritizing balance and taking collective action to reduce emissions, preserve ecosystems and promote sustainability, we can build a more resilient future for our planet and future generations.
Hiling ko lang, kung merong makapanood ng content ko ng isang malaking content creator, talakarin niya rin itong climate change para matutunan ng lahat kung gaano ka-importance ng nature sa atin. Dumako na tayo sa topic. What is the concept of law of balance in climate change?
Importance of maintaining equilibrium in natural systems to address climate change. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of various factors, such as carbon cycles, ecosystems, and atmospheric processes, in regulating the Earth's climate. In the context of climate change, the law of balance underscores the need to minimize disruptions to these natural systems to mitigate the impacts of global warming. This involves reducing greenhouse gas emissions, preserving biodiversity, protecting ecosystems, and promoting sustainable practices across various sectors. The law of balance in climate change policy. The principle of balance guides many strategies and initiatives aimed at addressing climate change and building resilience to its impacts.
Sabi ng mga eksperto, may 7 solusyon kung paano mapanatili sa balanse ang mundo. Reducing greenhouse gas emission. Transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power can significantly reduce emission from fossil fuels. Additionally, improving energy efficiency in transportation, building, and industry can further curb emission. Preserving and restoring ecosystem. Protecting forest, wasteland, and other natural habitats helps sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and maintain biodiversity. Reforestation efforts and sustainable lands management practice are crucial for preserving ecosystem balance. 3. Promoting sustainable agriculture. Implementing regenerative agricultural practice such as crop rotation, conservation tillage, and agroforestry can enhance soil health, increase carbon sequestration, and reduce emission from agricultural activities. 4. Investing in climate resilience. Building resilience climate change impacts such as extreme weather events and sea level rises requires investment in infrastructure, disaster preparedness, and community adaptation strategies. Advancing technology and innovation. Continuing research and development of clean energy technologies, carbon capture and storage method, and sustainable materials can accelerate the transition to low-carbon economy. 6. Fostering international cooperation. Global cooperation and coordination are essential for addressing the transboundary nature of climate change. International agreements like the Paris Agreements provide frameworks for countries to set emission, reduction target and collaborate on climate action. 7. Empowering individuals and communities. Encourage sustainable life cycles, choice such as reducing energy consumption, minimizing waste, and supporting local initiatives. Empowers individuals and communities to contribute to climate solution. By implementing this solution and prioritizing balance in our approach to addressing global warming, we can mitigate the impacts of climate change and build a more sustainable and resilient future for all. How does the balance become the foundation of climate change? The balance in ecosystem is crucial because it regulates climate process like carbon absorption and oxygen production when ecosystems are disturbed, such as through deforestation or pollution. This balance is upset leading to climate change. Marami sa atin ang di nalalaman kung gaano kaimportante ang pagkakaroon ng balanse sa ecosystem. Dahilan nito ay sa pang-araw-araw na gawain natin, sobra na tayong busy para sa mga gantong bagay. Pero maa-attempt mo ba sa pang-araw-araw na ginagawa mo? Ay baka isang araw magkaroon ng dilubyo at mapahamak hindi lang ikaw, pati na rin ang mga mahal mo. Guys, sa simpleng pakikinig at panonood ng content na gaya nito at magkaroon ng kaalaman kung paano labanan ang climate change, hinihikayat ko kayong lahat na magkaroon ng konting oras upang masolusyonan natin ang mundo na mabilis nang nasisira. Hindi pa huli ang lahat, gaya ng nasa isip nyo. May magagawa at gagawin pa tayo para i-save ang ating Earth. And lastly, equilibrium are the function of the climate change. Here are some statements related to the climate change equilibrium. The equilibrium of the climate change system relies on the delicate balance of atmospheric gases, ocean currents, terrestrial ecosystems. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation have disturbed the national equilibrium of the climate system, leading to global warming and extreme weather events. Understanding the feedback loops within the climate system is essential for predicting the future climate trends and developing effective mitigation strategies. Efforts to restore the equilibrium of the climate system requires international cooperation and coordinate action to reduce greenhouse gas emission and protect vulnerable ecosystem. Research on climate change equilibrium aims to uncover the complex interaction between natural process and human influences on the environment. Maintaining the equilibrium of the system is critical for preserving biodiversity, safeguarding food and water sources, and ensuring the resilience of communities to climate-related hazard. Climate models play a vital role in simulating the dynamics of the Earth system and projecting the potential impacts of different scenarios on future equilibrium. Adapting to changing climate requires proactive measures to enhance resilience, conserve natural habitats, and promote sustainable practice to support the restoration of equilibrium in ecosystem. These statements cover various aspects of climate change. Equilibrium from importance to the challenge and solution associated with restoring balance to the climate system. These are the sources regarding the law of balance in climate change. Importante na isa puso at isa isip at isa gawa ang mga natutunan natin sa climate change. Kailan ka pa ba kikilos? Kapag nararanasan na natin ang matinding dilubyo, dulot ng global warming? Kumilos na tayo ngayon at magtanim at maglinis na tayo ng ating kapaligiran. Magtatim na tayo ng mga puno't halaman para sa ikakaunlad at ikapababago ng mundo natin. Ikaw at ako ang susi ng pagbabago. Ako si Joel. Sama-sama nating tuklasin at solusyonan ang nagbabagang mundo.